I'm Debbie Brown, and I'm at the Wellness Oasis presented by Chase. 2 full days at Miami Art Week.
If you're not creating the physical foundations for success in your body, it's like saying, I'm not going to put gas in the car, but I expect it to drive.
Oh, I want to be like you. All right, well, that means you got to be like you. And the day you start being like you is the day that you'll be more like me.
For me, I think it's about little rituals every morning that keep me centered.
Raise your hand if you think your health is above average or excellent.
The only thing that comes naturally in parenting is how you were parented.
That sometimes in life, the things we pray for become the things we complain about, if we let them. If we don't stop and pause and catch ourselves in these ways, in these moments, and recognize that sometimes you are quite literally living out your prayers.
I'm learning so much about myself that I can't ignore if I want to be the best parent to them that I can.
Pretty much every available study of very happy people show that very happy people are more social.
What a gift that is when you start to see that the triggers you have or they have are actually an invitation to get better at relating.
Once again, you find yourself fully immersed in the white light, in this positive, protective, healing energy.
I know you got a story. I know you're in pain. And if I could, I would I make this world a better.
Thank you, guys.